what are the important attributes in IAM world. So that point I wanted to talk now. So
Hi everyone. Many people are watching my videos, but if you look at here, 98% people are not subscribed. I'm looking for your support. Hey,
I don't want to talk more theory. So I came here in the tools and I clicked on users and user and I see these are all users. These are all users. So if I come here and if I click on advanced features, it is change the different view. But again, I'm going to the users and I'm going to show you what are the different attributes. Along this, I'll be explaining about these points. So I want to show you the attribute names first. So for that reason, what I did, I have selected user and I clicked on the properties. And after that, I clicked on attribute data. I clicked on attribute data. Once I clicked on attribute data, what I did, I clicked on here attribute data. So I can see all the attributes. So now we are going to learn what are the different attributes is there. So for one of the new most important attribute is, okay, I kept all the points here, SAM account. So anybody knows about what is SAM account? If you know what is SAM account, you can type in the comment box. So SAM account is a unique login name in Active Directory. So this is that for the each user, it is going they will be creating one different name for the SAM account. Okay, how I came here and if you want to see the SAM account, see SAM account name. For this user, this is the SAM account. Normally, this is going to be unique name. Okay, this is the SAM account and usually a short name or a unique username like this will be there, and normally company name along with this name they will be keeping it. Next one is the display name. Display name is full name. Full name means if you see, if you are new to IAM world, you can see that every name will have first name, last name. Correct? First name and the last name. First name is refers to your parents what they kept for you, that is called the first name. The last name is what you got from your father, those name is comes the last name. And the last name it may change for the ladies after marriage also will change. Okay, I mean like if you are in IAM world, that time you used to get a mail saying that I got married so and so person, you need to change my last name, like that you will get a request. That is one use case. Last name change use case will be there. So, so normally display name becomes as the last name, comma, first name. Let's say I have my name is Rakesh SailPoint. In that case, I'll be here as Rakesh SailPoint. Rakesh is my first name. Last name is SailPoint. SailPoint Rakesh. And next one is a name. The Active Directory object name. The Active Directory object name. So, so I'm just going here. So if you come and see, this is the name. Active Directory, the name will be there. This is the attribute. Name attribute, the ID object's chronological name. Often it matches with the SAM account name. So what you need to understand, if you create one user, that user will have SAM account name and the name also there. And first name will be there, last name is there. Along this, some other attributes also there. So given name is there. Okay. Given name is, so whatever the user you created, so in the given name is there, right? In okay, this is the given name. So in IAM world, we'll call it the first name, but in Active Directory technology, first name is comes as the given name. And the same way last name is there. Okay, and same way we have one more attribute, that is last name will be there. Okay, last name attribute, what it contains we'll see, and if it is my attribute and I want to see that last name, given name is there, and one more is I wanted to find out last name. For the last name, let me see this, what is the attribute. See, yes, surname is there. Surname, last name is comes in the yes name. First name is GN, given name, and the last name is SN name. So suppose if somebody asks in SailPoint, you are seeing the first name so and so in in Active Directory. What is the name it is appearing? If somebody asking you, that time you have to open the Active Directory, and you can see that given name what attribute it is appearing. You have to tell that. Okay, I want to share the exact information. So one is user principal name. So normally this is that nowadays we are all using intra ID. So that time O365 accounts is going to get created like this. That time it is the user will be like appearing like this. So here is the if you that finally O365 if you create account also that will be there here only. UPN is there. UPN name is there. User principal name is here. User principal name UPN. User UPN. User principal name will be appearing here. This is the mail attribute. So one more attribute is there. User principal name will be there. UPN. Yeah, see, this is the user principal name. So some people call as a UPN. Here is the user principal name. And O360 account, O365 account, whatever the name is there, what is the mail ID is there, they'll set in the user principal attribute. Some people will they'll set a shortcut in the UPN and all. And I suggest you use these words in the interview also. Will we need to update in the UPN value like this. And one more is the employee ID is there. Employee ID attribute, employee number will be there. Here is employee ID and employee number is there. So normally in the Active Directory level, first user is going to create whatever this HR system, they do have a unique number to identify the one individual employee. That number they'll set here. And one more attribute is MS Exchange attribute is there. That attribute is basically helpful for us. So Exchange level, what level? And I wanted to create organization here. See, here I got it organization unit. Let's see, I can create here in users. So in users table, I want to create organization unit. I click on here. And here, when I click here, I'm not seeing organization unit. So it means that users table, I can't create any folders. One is a account password. So some password. Change password is there and change password when. So CN value is there. This is the common name and the company name is there and company code. Change password when. And this is about one of the attribute is called account expire. When the account need to be expired. Suppose password sometimes will get this password is expired. You change it, na. If I set account password is never, it never expired. If I give some date means by that time, when you have that specific time you reached out, that time account password is going to get expired. It will ask you to reset the password, account expire. So if you see, this is also date. So there is some approach is there that are done is there. And when if you set change password at login, if you set this value, so whenever you are logging to the system, that time it will ensure that you need to change the password before logging. Change password when if you change password when if you set and when you are logging. So that time I could not able to show you that. I'll see that where you can find. I'll show you the explain. I will show you that little later. And enable is there and extension attribute is there. Normally in the IAM world, so if something if you okay, some companies they will set their own attributes and they'll use, okay, they will use extended attribute, and some attribute they'll create own attributes, and those attributes they will use for their own purpose. Okay, all the adding, enabling, disabling those things and all they will use that by using that attribute. And so as I said, this extension attribute 4 is there, and extension are there in the IT industry.